Check out the 86 Subaru Brat. Now the wheels.
Put gas in the generator and see if we can pump up that tire.
Oh yeah, let's do. That's a good idea. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna take a quick video, but this is the car right here. Subaru Brat. It's missing the seats. But we got some seats coming, or we're gonna pick them up. We gotta hurry. This guy is running behind on an appointment, so I'm gonna get out of here and start helping my friend. So, since the car's brakes are locked up, we have to do the old tablecloth trick, which is pull the trailer from out underneath the Brat right now. And it's a little scary. And there's the chain attached to the big old stump that's gonna help pull this thing off the trailer. Here we go. God, that chain is so big. Oh! Woo! Let me go help these guys out. That was a little exciting. This guy's car is... Oh, you're gonna do it from this side? Good. Oh.
Alert your family members. Use apps that remind you to check the back seat once you arrived at your destination.
Hey man, you can't park there.
Checking the back seat. You may just save your child's
Yeah, you can't park there. You're gonna get in trouble.
folks get text with me every single day.
What did he say to you?